After many hours of seam sealing, I think I am pretty near done with it. I'm sure I'll find another spot or two here and there as we go through the priming and metalworking stages. Since it sandblasted it and scraped out all the loose caulking, pretty much any place two pieces of metal came together, I had to seam it up. Spent a lot of time around the scuttle trying to keep feet from getting wet. This area up here is the one that I'm most proud of, how it'll look, but it's all covered up once everything is put together with the wiring harness and battery and all the hardware that goes in there. But it looks good when it's first painted. Got the seams at the pillars nice and squared up. I even seamed some areas the factory didn't, so you can keep water from getting up in there. And as Forrest Gump said, that's all I got to say about that.